All right, we have a question coming in tonight from Pedro in Chelsea who says, I had a cold a few weeks ago. I'm still coughing. It's so annoying, he says. Is that normal?
So yes, that can be perfectly normal, as annoying as it is. About a quarter of adults will have a cough that lingers for weeks, sometimes even a couple of months after their other cold symptoms have improved. Now, these lingering coughs are usually caused by postnasal drip, where mucus continues to drip down the back of your throat, which is often worse at night because you're lying down. Or you could have inflammation of the airways, which actually makes your cough receptors particularly sensitive to triggers like cold air or fragrance or smoke. However, if you otherwise feel well, you can try over-the-counter cough preparations until your cough resolves. But if you develop shortness of breath, wheezing, fever, coughing up blood, worsening of your cough, or if the cough lasts for more than a couple of months, then you really should seek medical attention.
A cough is like the worst thing, right? Can't sleep at night.
And I'm one of those people that coughs forever when I get sick.
Really?
Yes.
All right. Well, when that happens, we'll keep you at a distance.
Exactly.
We'll move the chairs a little bit. Thank you, doctor. Appreciate it.